Hi there, thanks for stopping by. This is a quick video to say I shipped it. That is, I just got my building permit approved for the house that I designed. So this is intended as a quick update, but I wanted to share a couple of thoughts. The first thing that comes to mind is that designing and building a custom house is a big project. It takes a lot of time and money, and good architects and engineers are worth their price. You should hire an architect. But keep in mind, for a custom house, paying $100,000 is not uncommon. So today is a good day because my plans were finally accepted by the city, meaning they meet all the requirements to begin the review process, which will take at least 2 weeks. So for those of you following along the process, I thought I'd share a quick peek at the latest version of my plans that ended up getting accepted. This is about the 16th version that I've released. So again, I'm not a trained architect. I did get the help of an architect to review my work, but for me, the learning process involved a lot of iteration. So this is version 16 of the plans. And the first page is the cover sheet. It contains a list of all of the sheets in the plan. It's got a place for the city to stamp it if they approve it, and some basic information about the project. Sheet 2 is a site plan and a surveyor's map. Sheet 3 has the site drainage plan and the grading plan. Then we get into our floor plans. So we've got a partial basement here. Got the main floor. There's a step down here. Deck, entrance. Got a roof plan and some specifications for how much ventilation this soffit needs. A detail showing where the air control and insulation layers are. Then we have a plan showing the area of each room, the total areas, as well as the choices of flooring. Then we get to our elevations, north, south, east, and west, which includes dimensions for windows. These elevations also specify the exterior cladding choices and finishes. Then we get to sections, which are like elevations, but they slice through the building. This is the walk-in daylight basement here. The step down I was talking about. So I will say that this version 16 of my plans does look a lot better than my first couple of versions. I still wouldn't say I'm a professional, but I'm much happier with these results. I have a 3D render. It helps put everything into context. It's not required, but nice. Then we have a garage plan. Garage elevations. Next, we have our electrical plans. And all these were a lot of work, but I have to say it is kind of cool to be able to choose where every light switch and outlet is in your new house. This sheet contains the mechanical plans. This specifies the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Since this is a fairly airtight house, it includes an energy recovery ventilator, which uses the same ductwork as the central heat pump to bring fresh conditioned air into the space. Next, we have the plumbing plans. This is sort of an isometric schematic. Now we're getting into structural plans, and I'm not sure I have permission to share these, so I'll probably blur this out. But I hired a structural engineer to create a structural plan for my architectural plan. I had some fairly specific ideas of what materials I wanted to use, like 2x6 walls, 24-inch on center, where the insulation is and everything. But the structural engineers took care of designing all the structural elements from the foundation on up. So the footings for the foundation, the walls, the shear wall schedule, the roof framing details. For the first floor that goes over the basement, I'm using 20-inch floor trusses which I'm excited about because they leave a lot of space in the ceiling for you to run all your vents and pipes and everything. And yeah, that's a quick overview. So it was a good day. I finally got all the requirements met to get into the building permit review stage. I haven't really had time to make many videos of the process, but if there's anything that you guys are interested in particular or have questions, let me know in the comments. And overall, I really enjoyed the project. I like taking on challenging large projects, and so it really scratched that itch to build and design. And it will be really cool seeing it actually get built. So until next time, thanks for stopping by.